Welcome to Take You Through. Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to never miss any future videos. Only less than 1% of my subscribers are watching my videos, and all the other 99% are not subscribed. So if you love technology and if you like the content I create, please consider subscribing to my channel as it really helps it to grow. Today I have my hands on the brand new Apple Watch Series 6. This ain't mine, but the person kindly gave it to me for you guys to see the unboxing. This is the 40mm Apple Watch Series 6. There you can see it. It's the brand new aluminum case, deep navy sport band. So now let's just open it up. And as all the Apple products, it got this little arrow, the pull tab. So we just open up here and take it off. And then there are these two pull tabs here. Just here. And the second one opens up just like the first one. And we are greeted as always with this beautiful inside of the packaging with all the different loops, all the different colors. So this is what you get inside the box. The gold one, the new braided loop, the blue one, and so on. That's the box from the inside. And these are the two boxes. One is for the blue navy sport band, and the second one is for the Apple Watch. I think starting from the Series 4, Apple Watches were put inside this new box, and the band came always in a separate box. Before that, till the Series 3, the band came inside the box, so now I think Apple can manage better the specific combinations. Like you want a blue Apple Watch, but with different bands, so they can put easily just the band box inside. So let's start with the band box. And here you can see the pull tab once again. Just pull it off. Here you can see it says Deep Navy Sport Band. And everything is nice and ergonomic. Just pull outside here. And there you can see Apple Watch. Box is empty. Let's open it up, and we are greeted with how to attach the band. You need to slide one piece and then the second piece, as well as the other steps. You can pause the video if you want to see, if you want to read. Third step, and so on. Let's open it up, and if you can see, this is the longer strap, this is the smaller one. Depends on how big your hand is, how big your wrist is. So we just take it outside here, like that. Nice, fresh and new. And we can take it outside this longer one. And then there is this part. So we can pull this off. Just put it on like that. Okay. Let's put this band aside. And now let's get to the nice and shiny Series 6 Apple Watch in blue color. So yeah, for the Apple Watch box there is no pull tabs anywhere. You can just open it up like it is. There you go. This is the paperwork. Let's open it up. And starting from the, I guess, Series 6, maybe Series 5. I didn't have Series 5 watch, I had only Series 4 and now the Series 6. They put the power adapters inside, but this time, as they do with the iPhones, the new iPhone 12s, the charging brick doesn't come inside the box. So there's only this charging cable with the round magnetic connection. So you just open it up. Here is the old standard USB connection, and you need to just pull outside this one here. So this is where you attach magnetically the Apple Watch. And at last, here is the 40mm Apple Watch. So there's nothing else inside the box. Let's put this aside. And this now is like a cardboard paper like material. They put it in a soft microfiber material for the Series 4, but now it's paper. It's paper, but it's okay. Now we just pull it out. We see the new and shiny Apple Watch. It's the paper, and there you can see it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ceramic material. 40mm. Nice and shiny. Apple. One Apple Park Cupertino. There you can see it. Aluminum case. And we can pull it off. And there you can see this is the screen. So now put it on and it clicks here, like that. And then we take the smallest one, because it's the smaller version. Like that. And you can see you need to charge, because the battery is empty. But this is your Apple Watch. And you can just take the band off by pushing this button from both sides here. So you just click on it and then you can take it out. So actually this metallic side must be on the upper side if you are left-handed, that's of course. If you are right-handed, then it's the other way around. And the hold piece is here on the lower side, like that. So now we just need to charge this watch, and I will show you how you can pair it to your iPhone. So now the Apple Watch has a little bit juice in the battery. I charged it a little bit, so it says you can start to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. So what do we need right now is an iPhone. So I have here the iPhone 8 Plus, and you need to have this watch application. So just open the watch application. It greets you, good afternoon. You just need to click the start pairing button. Once you do so, it asks you the next step, set up for myself or set up for my family member. So set up for myself for right now, just for the demonstration purpose. And right about this time, it generates this cosmic picture. You would just need to use your photo camera and align it perfectly in the square. Now you just need to select restore from the backup if you have it for your Apple Watch, maybe older model. Or if you want to just set it up as new, just select the second option, set up as new Apple Watch. Next step, on which wrist do you wear Apple Watch? I wear on the left side. Now it connects your Apple Watch to the app. So basically your Apple Watch works with the iPhone's app. So you just agree to the terms, signing into your account, like your Apple account, Apple ID. Meanwhile, the Apple Watch is charging and waiting to be paired. And enable route tracking, okay. Siri, okay. Shared settings, there is no option other than okay. Bold text, tinier text, you can always change it later on your Apple Watch. Continue. You can create passcode. This is necessary if you use Apple Pay, so you just need to put your wrist just to pay for purchases. Therefore, you need the passcode. So let's don't add passcode right now. Blood oxygen, let's enable. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Yes, continue. Heart rate notifications, next. Emergency. Now you can install all available apps. Okay, let's install all. And Apple Watch is syncing. Now you can see that it shows you the basic steps. Meanwhile, you can see the ring when it goes around, when it is in white color, then the pairing process has been ended. Meanwhile, you can just rotate this digital crown, see what's new, display, digital crown, side button, press to show the dock. You can always press to show the dock. Okay. Double click for Apple Pay, like double click and your credit card shows up. And press and hold for emergency, for medical ID or emergency SOS and power. You can power it on by holding this button, okay? Click done. Digital crown. Press to return to the watch face. If you inside the applications, just click on it and you're back. Next one. Press and hold to talk to Siri. Normally, Siri wakes up immediately when you take your wrist to yourself. But if you want to speak manually to Siri, just press and hold and Siri is activated. Turn to scroll, zoom or adjust, like we just did, up and down, or just zoom inside photos. Click done, and the display. Tap to select, swipe to scroll and move, like your natural movement with your fingers. Press and hold to change the watch face. If you press and hold, all the watch face interface is showing up. Tap and swipe the top edge of the screen to see your notifications. Like with iPhone, just pull down from the upside and see your options. Tap and swipe the bottom edge of the screen to access additional controls. The same goes from down to up. Pull up and you can see like the do not disturb option, flight mode, etc. Click done and we can see that it's pairing, and after that your Apple Watch will be ready to use with your iPhone. So now the pairing is over and Apple Watch informs us that your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. So we just press the digital crown here. And here is your new Series 6 Apple Watch. So basically it works like every other Apple Watch before, just that it has the new and faster processor. It has the always on display. If you press here, we can add new watch face. And after that we can modify how we like it. And that's basically it. That was the unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 6 in a nice dark blue color.
And if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and my Instagram profile @TechYouThrough as well. Take care and let's meet in the next episode of Tech You Through.